Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So I want to bring you some new information on this new recall that just came out from Honda a couple weeks ago, and it affects the brand new 2024 Honda CR-V. We just got this not too long ago, so I'm curious to see if this one's affected. And I'll show you exactly how to tell if it is. Very simple steps that you can do. And believe it or not, you might score a tire-free set of tires. So let me go ahead and share exactly what this is all about. So it has to do with the tires here, and it only affects so far the 2024 model. But they're saying that if you don't know, there's codes and all that kind of stuff that tells when the tire was made and where it was made and all that kind of information. And it's important to know. So here's what it shows on the tires. It'll be a sequence like this. And if you look at the last four numbers, that's the week and the year the tire was made. And that matters because when there's recalls, that's what it goes off of. They can kind of tell what batch, when it was made, and that would be the ones that are affected. So Honda's saying that there's some tires on the 2024 Honda CR-V that are missing the week and the year that the tire was made. So you want to go out to your tire and find where it says dot, and right here, so this tire, it was made the third week in 2024. So it'd be January and the third week of January and the year 2024. And you want to double check them all. Now they should all be the same, assuming you haven't swapped the tires, because they should all come from the same batch. Because I don't think they're allowed to, use tires from different batches. So they should, when you look at them, they should all have the same manufacturer date on them. So you just want to go around 0324 and then check this one. Find out where it is. Again, it'll always say dot, and then there will be all the numbers. 0324. So this one's not affected. So I'm assuming it'll just be blank inside that little border. But again, it's important because what they're saying is then they don't know when it was made, of course, and what Honda will do, they'll give you a brand new set of tires. So hey, if you're driving on those right now and you don't have it, they might be almost a year old by now. Since you bought your car, you'll score a brand new set of tires. So it could save you a ton of money. You might not even know it. So definitely go check your tires on your 2024 CR-V. Let me know in the comment section if you have a tire that's affected. I'd like to know. Right now, they're not saying how many vehicles it affects, but they know right now it's only the 2024. So we'll just be checking the 2024 Honda CR-V, and it doesn't matter what model it is. It didn't state that. So for any trim you have, hybrid, sport, whatever it is, definitely check them. There are going to be people that get free sets of tires. So hopefully you've used them, got some more out of them, you'll get another free set. So that's always a great thing. So again, let me know in the comment section if you guys have a vehicle that's affected. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.